Here's where we'll find T today. He's bird watching, one of T's many hobbies and favorite activities. Hey, Tiger. So how's the bird watching coming today? Just lots of birds out there, Tiger? Yeah. What kind of birds you seeing? You want to tell me about it? Did you see any bluebirds, Mr. T? You did? My goodness. Is Mickey going to come up there and watch birds with you, or you just got the whole place to yourself right now? Tiger? T? What do you think? Oh. Alright, Tiger. Well, I'll let you go back to watching birds. He's a bird watcher, this guy. Look at him. Mr. T. Tiger? Oh. Oh, this is a much better view of you. Because now you get the lights at the right angle. See, there's Mr. T. He's an awesome bird watching cat. He doesn't like to go out there with the birds, though, do you, Mr. T? You just like to watch him in the window. Say goodbye, Tiger. Meow. Okay.